How's it going, everybody? Mike here. For those of you familiar with what you're looking at, you already know what I'm about to announce, but I just want to say that I actually started recording this because my plan is to record the sales overview of January. And as I was logging into my merch, this popped up, and for those of you who know where to look, you already know where I'm going with this and what tier is waiting for me. But I just want to say it is actually a huge surprise because this is not what I expected. Anyways, let's hit this button and then we'll talk about it in a second. So all I have to say is, oh my God, I definitely was not expecting this. I was, if any of you have been watching any of my previous videos, you would know that I actually asked a question during one of my videos, and I asked you guys to leave a comment, and I said, what is the next tier after 8,000? And somebody said it's 10,000, and then you go to 20,000, and then after that you get, I think it's 100,000. I don't know if there was anything in between. But as you can see here, for some reason, and I really, really hope this is not a mistake, the level that I'm at right now is 20,000, tier 20,000. Again, this is my first reaction to it. I like I said, I haven't even processed this. I haven't seen this before. Like I said, my intention was to do a different video, which I will do after this. But oh my God, this is incredible. I can't even express how I feel right now because I have so many ideas. I have so many plans for new products. I already have spreadsheets ready to go to upload through Merch Titans, and wow, tier 20,000. Anyways, I probably will do another video and talk about this. I'll probably do more of an analysis, but for right now I'm going to end this here. I'm going to upload this to you guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Is this a mistake? I really hope it isn't. And have you been tiered up to a level that you didn't expect? Let me know in the comments, because I honestly was not expecting this, and like I said, I don't have a lot of information about this tier, and to me, like I said, it's basically just shock at this point, extreme level of excitement, but I'm very, very happy to hear what you guys have to say. Anyways, tier 20,000, holy crap. Okay, let's start working. Talk to you guys soon.